With the introduction of braided Spectraline in the early 90s, we found that manufacturers started making the reels much smaller and much stronger, but what was desperately needed and missing was a whole new series of rods that had the lengths, the action, and the components that could handle the incredible loads that these new reels and line could deliver. In short, what we needed was a whole new generation of braided line rods.
Terez is in itself an entire boat rod series, from your bottom fishing, your trolling, live baiting, you name it, it's in there. It's the most powerful, it's the most comfortable, and it's the most versatile series of rods that we've ever created. We really focused in on the componentry, basically what rounds out a fishing rod. First thing that comes to mind, obviously, is the guides. It's a very important part of the rod.
Because of the wind knots inherent in using braided line, Fuji developed a new guide, a K-guide, that because of the angle, the line will slip right off, and all the guides, including the tip, are going to be tangle-free.
Grip designs is another key important part of the rods. So we focused in on ergonomics. How is it going to be comfortable? Finger grooves on some of the spinning rods, flat spots for the guy to rest it on a rail, tapered out the rear grips so it fits underneath your arm.
The whole effort has been to lighten these rods and make them stronger. You can see this skeletonized reel seat has bits taken out of it to reduce weight. Then the material itself is TC4, which is a unique combination of T-glass and carbon, which allows for incredibly thin rod blanks able to lift heavy loads. In short, we're catching 200-pound fish on this gear that weighs less than some freshwater tackle.
The rods, the way they perform with the right reel, the right line, is just unbelievable how much pulling power you have.
We used to use big, heavy gear and large rods to catch some of these fish, and now we're doing the same thing with these very light, very compact outfits. The whole concept being to truly fight the fish and not the tackle.